This hadith will blow your mind. When you think about a bird's nest, you may picture it on the branch of a tree. But not all birds weave nests in the trees. Some birds have the nest hanging from the branches. Some nest in chambers, while others may lay eggs in a burrow. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given each species its unique nest building instinct and technique in accordance with its needs. So while some birds take hundreds and thousands of trips to gather the building material, and they put in much effort to elaborately weave and build the nest, other birds suffice with a very minimalist structure. And one such bird is the sandgrouse. A nest for this bird is simply a shallow depression in the ground. Sometimes the nest is plainly lined with just a few pieces of dry plants. And pay close attention now, for you are to be amazed at this hadith of Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Man baniya masjidan lillah ka mafhasi kitat aw asgara baniya Allahu lahu baytan fil jannah. Whoever builds a mosque for the sake of Allah, like the nest of a sand grouse, or even smaller, Allah will build for him a house in paradise. Subhanallah, of all the nests in the world, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam gives the example of this so very simple nest. The scholars say this is mentioned by way of exaggeration, but the message is clear. Even if you build a mosque which is as humble as the nest of this sandgrouse bird, Allah will build for you a grand house in paradise. Truly amazing, isn't it? Don't forget to share this amazement with your friends, and for more videos, subscribe.